run numerical calculation for the glow script, and here we created the ball, we made it a sphere, and the position is at the origin at 0, 0, 0. The radius of the ball is 0.1 meters. Some constants are the gravity vector, which is negative 9.8 meters per second in the y direction. The ball's mass is 0.01. The ball's velocity is 4 meters per second in the y direction. Time is equal to 0, and the dt is how often it makes a calculation. So while the ball's position is above the y-axis, so while it's above the ground, we'll call it, and it's going to take 100 calculations per second, and the ball's velocity is equal to the velocity of the ball is equal to the initial velocity, and then gravity times the calculations per second, or the times the how often it calculates. And the position of the ball is equal to the position of the ball times the velocity of the ball. And then time is equal to time times time plus the amount of times it's calculated. And we're going to print the position of the ball and how much time it takes. So let's go ahead and run it. And we get to the ball. It took 0.8 seconds for it to go through its motion. And it says the y position is negative 0.01. And that is because the program only ran every 0.01 second. If we make that time smaller, it will get closer and closer to 0. So let's do it again at 0.001. And you see it does a lot more calculations this way. And eventually falls. And there we go, a lot closer to 0. So that's my code right there.